Hello guys, welcome back to another question. This question is from trigonometry, inverse trigonometry functions, and the question is similar to the questions where we have to find the principal value or simplify the given question. I mean the given expression. So we have a expression something like cos inverse of cos 7 pi upon 6 and we have to find its principal value. So I hope you all remember the standard NCERT formula, that is cos inverse of cos x is equal to x, and the range of cos inverse is 0 to pi. Let's try applying this formula on the given expression, this one. So when we apply the given formula, we get our answer as 7 pi upon 6. But we have to be careful whether 7 pi upon 6 lies in the range of cos inverse or not. Let's see. No, 7 pi upon 6 does not lie in the range of cos inverse, I mean 0 to pi. So we have to think of some another way. We have to somehow reduce 7 pi upon 6 into some other form so that we can apply the given formula. Let's move to the next slide. Just wait a sec. Okay, so we talked about that 7 pi upon 6 does not lie in the interval 0 to pi. So what we do now? We actually write 7 pi upon 6 as minus 7 pi upon 6. The reason being that cos of x is equal to cos of minus x. I mean, these both terms are exactly similar, not a difference, as cos of x is equal to cos of minus x. Now, what we do, that we apply the identity of cos 2 pi minus, cos of 2 pi plus x is equal to cos of x. Let's do that. Sorry, where is marker? Yeah. We apply this identity, cos of 2 pi plus x is equal to cos of x, this one. So cos of 2 pi plus x, so here x is equal to minus 7 pi upon 6, this thing. So again, these two things are exactly similar, not a difference. Now when we simplify cos of 2 pi minus 7 pi by 6, we get cos of 5 pi by 6. Now we check whether 5 pi upon 6 lies in the interval 0 to pi, and we see that it lies. So now we can directly apply our formula, that is cos inverse of cos x is equal to x. So our x is 5 pi upon 6 and our answer thus becomes 5 pi upon 6. Hope you all understood it. Thank you.